Welcome to the Getting Started in QBT1 recorded webinar. In this course, there are 5 required tasks. Each of these tasks are set up to help you get ready to write your paper and put it together. Your paper will be a one-sided argumentative paper. You need not present the opposite side. Task 1 then is where you will gather your sources for this paper. It's a 10-source APA formatted annotated bibliography with thesis statement, which means that you'll need to have picked a topic and formulated a thesis statement. So some preliminary research might be needed. Task 2 is where you're going to practice synthesizing and paraphrasing. These are 2 important skills that you will use in the body of your paper. Task 3 is where you'll develop a writing plan. You will either put together an outline or do a graphic organizer of your paper. Task 4 is the rough draft of your paper. It has all the markings on it of the things that you're going to revise, and you'll submit a revision summary explaining why you will be revising those things. For your final paper, which will be Task 5, Task 5 is your final formal and completed paper. It's 10 to 15 pages, APA formatted. It needs to be an argumentative paper, and avoid any informative themes or compare and contrast structures when writing it. So what is the best way to get started in this course? Why, the best way to get started in this course is in your degree plan. Once you get into your student portal and into your degree plan, scroll down until you find your course, which is Language and Communications Research, QBT1. This is an active link, so you're going to click on it. And when you do, your course is going to come up. Notice that you can contact the course mentors right here. You can IM us, instant messenger us, and talk with us right away, or you can send us an email. Notice here is the communities. And I'm going to urge you to use our communities because you will see sample thesis statements there. It will help you pick your topic. You'll find documents to help you with common questions and common mistakes, and see course mentor feedback. In fact, the communities is one of the places where you'll submit your thesis statement for course mentor feedback. All right, scrolling down, I want you to look over here to your left. The left-hand side, you'll notice a study plan. Please notice that the paper in this course has been broken up into 2 parts, Part 1 and Part 2. Well, we're getting started, so we want to click on that part and go to the Getting Started link. There's also a link here to help you with Task 1 and create your annotated bibliography. When I click on the Getting Started link, it's going to show me the MindEdge link here. I'm going to click on that. MindEdge is our learning resource for this course. It's your textbook. Notice I clicked on it and it gave me the sections or chapters that I might need to help me accomplish selecting a topic, which is 2.1, or writing a thesis statement, which is module 2.5. This is an active link here, so when I click on it, it's going to take me to MindEdge. Notice it's taken me to Module 2. Students navigate this course by using the drop-down menu here, or by also using this Home button here at the top. If I want to see what I need to do to select a topic for this course, because there is no required topic, I would select 2.1 and then hit go, and it would help me select a topic. Course mentors can also do that as well. For writing a thesis statement, I would go down to 2.5 and look at the samples here. Everything in these modules are here to help you be successful in this course. Notice that your thesis statement has two requirements. It has to be argumentative, and it must list out the major points that you will be discussing in the body of your paper. This is a great example. There is a suggested thesis stem that some students use, and you should feel free to use it if you would like, and that is research suggests that blank, your topic, is, and then that's where you're going to make a value judgment, because that's what makes your thesis statement argumentative. Then you'll list out 2 to 4, 3 is traditional, main points for the body of your paper. You could say research suggests your topic is good or bad, true or false, effective or ineffective, harmful or beneficial, or you could simply say that it's a problem. Remember, this is a one-sided argument paper. You do not need to solve that problem, and you do not need to show the opposite side. Do work to avoid informative topics. And again, a good way to make sure you've done that is to send your thesis statement in for course mentor feedback. And of course, you can do that again in your course of studies. You can click our community link. And once here, you can contact us again by clicking on the button here, and you can put your thesis statement in there, or you can email us directly at qbt1@wgu.edu, or you can use this great resource and post your thesis statement here for course mentor feedback. Notice all the other excellent resources to help you be successful in this course. Once you've gotten your course mentor feedback, you're going to want to go to the library to do some research. You can find the library by clicking on the resources button here in your course. Remember, everything comes back to this course, all the links that you will need. Once there, it will take you to the library page where you can use the federated database search to help you find articles, or you can also find books. Notice that you can chat with the librarian as well in case you have any questions. Once you're done with your research, and maybe you get done with your task 1 and you're ready to submit that, you're going to be submitting all of your work into TaskStream. The best way to find TaskStream is in your introduction of your course. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you will find a link here that will take you to TaskStream. You can also find a helpful video that will help you use TaskStream successfully to submit your work. If you click on this link, it will take you to TaskStream, and it looks like this. TaskStream is really important because it's here that you will find the prompts and the rubrics for this course. So once here, you'll click on QBT, and notice on the left-hand side again, there are all the 5 tasks. We want to go to task 1, and here are the directions or the prompt, and then here's the evaluation method or the rubric. So we click on the directions, and it tells us exactly what we should do. We should have an appropriate, arguable thesis statement with 2 to 4 main points. We should submit that with our annotated bibliography of at least 10 credible sources. If we scroll to the bottom, you'll find the evaluation method and the rubric. It's only fair to know how you're going to be graded, so click on this rubric and take a close look at it. When you go to submit any of your work here at TaskStream, you'll always submit it as an attachment. So always attach your work, and then don't forget to hit the Submit Work button. All right, thank you so much for listening to this chat, and we look forward to supporting you. Again, you can reach us at QBT1@wgu.edu. Have a good day. Thank you.